friends, this is Debs again. Today I bought a recipe of egg roll. It's very easy to make. Come on, let's start. First you need chapati. You can make a normal chapati and you can just grease it a little in a pan and keep it so that it is soft. I've taken 4 eggs, salt to taste, and I have cut some onions, chilies and tomatoes, and we need little oil and vegetable oil and ketchup, and I have cut this carrot, cucumber and onion slightly thin so that we can put into the egg roll. So let's get started. What we are going to do now is we are going to take the eggs. We'll take the eggs and keep in a bowl. We'll put a little salt, we'll put the tomatoes, onions and chilies all together. And nicely mix it. Mix it thoroughly. Now we'll need a pan to make the egg roll. Again I put oil. And then you can flip it on once it's over. The chapati has got attached to the omelette. Now we can flip it out. So once this is done, then all you have to do is you'll just take some cucumber, some carrots, nicely cut, some onions and ketchup. Roll it. Put a toothpick and your egg roll is ready. So our egg roll is ready. This is your egg roll. If you want to make a bigger size, you can make a bigger size. If you want to make a smaller size, you can make a smaller size, and you can serve with sauce. It's really delicious and very good for breakfast for children as well as for elders. Thank you for watching, and if you like my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment below. Thank you.